Have you heard of the new Pensight update? Well, we can now use email marketing inside of Pensight, and I'm going to share that with you guys today. I'm excited, and I hope that you are too if you are a Pensight user. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. I'm a content strategist and author. I love to teach established women coaches how to create digital assets with ease in their coaching business. I talk all about PLR, repurposing content. We are all about making things easy when it comes to our business because we got to create digital assets. Our digital assets bring on the cash. I love to get you to the money, honey. That's what we talk about on this channel. So if you love to hear that type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also like this video and hit that notification bell. So every time that I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. But first, we have to do the church announcements. Y'all know we have to do church announcements before we get into today's content. I have a free training. It's a free training for women coaches. I want to help you to avoid those mistakes that I've made, some of my clients made, that I see other women coaches make when it comes to creating the digital assets. I don't want that for you because I care about you. I want you to do better than I did when I first got started. So go get access to my free training. It's like a 10-minute training. And in that training, I'm going to share those 10 costly, not just time, but money mistakes that I see women coaches make when it comes to they're building their digital assets. I don't want that for you. So go get that training. The link is in the description. Also, if you want access to my digital assets, that's always there is there and it's growing. I am bundling. You guys know I used to be a publisher, right? So I'm taking all of my content from starting a publishing company, writing, publishing books. All that content is in my academy. You can gain access for free. The link is in the description as well. And last but not least, I told you guys I'm a content strategist, but I'm also an author. I write multiple books and I love to write in book series. I am currently writing in my book series, Savvy Simple Coaching. So if you are a woman that wants to start in coaching, or if you've been in coaching for a while, but you're kind of stagnant, you need to brush up on some skills, go ahead and get access to my Savvy Simple Coaching ebook series. That ebook series, it can be found on my Amazon author page at sharlritadeloatch.com/Amazon. Go follow me because when you follow me on Amazon, every time I upload a new book, and just FYI, when people follow you on your Amazon on your author page on Amazon, you get an email every time you upload a new book. Okay. Let's get into Pensight. I got this email today and I had to come in here and share it with you guys about Pensight. Y'all know I am Team Pensight. I'm going to use Pensight regardless. Okay, I'm just Team Pensight. There's some other people out there like Stan Store. You know, they're out there too, but we're not talking about them. We're talking about Pensight because Pensight is the best when it comes to especially digital creators that are getting started. Maybe you're getting started in creating digital products. You watch some of my videos, you're like, okay, Sharlrita, I downloaded some PLR. Where can I sell it? How am I going to be able to sell this? You're going to build a Pensight account. Okay. So you can start for free. Remember, anything that you start for free, you only want to get a limited access. So you need to invest to go up. You do need to have the pro account to get access to this new feature, which is email campaigns. So let me tell you what this looks like, okay? Money wise. Say for instance, you are using Pensight and you are paying for the pro. I think the pro is like 29 bucks a month, right? And then you need to have an email list. You can build your email list on Pensight before this, but you still needed to email your people at least once a week. You got to keep in contact, right? You couldn't really do that on Pensight before. You can now, but you couldn't do that before. So now you were probably paying for another email service provider such as ConvertKit. I think ConvertKit is 29 bucks. Okay. So you're paying, a little bit less than 60 bucks in order for you to run your business. So now we can cut off ConvertKit. Okay, I'm not saying I like ConvertKit too, but you just you got to save your coins. So you can use Pensight, build your list right there in Pensight, and now you can email people in Pensight. Okay, so we're gonna do a little show and tell. Let me tell you some of the things you can do with your email campaigns. You can launch a paid newsletter. You can send special offers to anyone that got your freebie. You can create an upsell campaign. You can do a new product launch and so much more. This is like you running your entire business in Pensight. Okay, this is running your entire business in Pensight, and I believe that you want to get. We're in this season. We're building these digital assets. You want to get lean and clean when it comes to your business. That's something that I'm doing. Getting really focused on what tools I am using. Again, I use Pensight. Now I don't use it to its fullest capacity as I should. However, I do have a pro account, so I do pay for it because I do see the benefits in having the pro account, okay? Because there's some things that I can do in Pensight alone, okay? Another bonus update they also have, if you have a membership, did you know that you can create memberships in Pensight? Well, if you have a membership, you can now schedule posting in your membership, okay? So we'll talk about that in another video, but today I'm going to show you guys how to launch an email campaign directly from Pensight. So if you have been using it, like me, maybe you have built your list, so you have some contacts, so you have a contact list over here. So I'm going to protect the privacy of my people that are on my contact list. I'm not going to show that, but right over here, if you have a contact list, you can email everybody at one time instead of individually emailing people, okay, which is amazing. I wish they had this. They would have put this out. I think yesterday I was actually sending individual messages to people that downloaded a freebie in my Pensight, asking them to, leave me a review. So now I can do it again by just sending one email. Okay, so let's try this out. You're in your Pensight account. Make sure that you have the pro. This will not work if you have a free account. Okay, you have to have the pro. So right here, there's a button that says marketing. It's going to say beta because it's still in beta mode. Okay, they're going to work out the kinks and things like that to make sure things work. So now right here, what you can do is I'm going to go here to email settings first and set up some settings to make sure things are good. So I'm going to put in my address. This is my business address. I will put that there because at the bottom of the email, you want to have your business address there. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. So you should probably do that first. Okay. So go to email settings and set that up. Now let's create a campaign. Okay. We're going to create a campaign together. And you can put your subject line like, hello. You can have a pre-header. This is like a preview text. Say, open up. Well, don't put that, but have your from. Your reply email is going to be the email that's already there. That is with the one email that you use to set up your account. Okay. So they have different templates that you can use. You can use a blank template. You can use just a plain text. You can use a welcome aboard email. Let's look at that one. So I'm quite sure let's see if we can change some things here. We're going to customize this one here. So it has a little picture here. I'm sure you can probably change that picture. Let's see if we can change it. Yes. Yeah, we can change that picture. I'm just going to grab a picture. All right. Let's save that. All right, that's a nice little header. You can say, hey, can we add the name? Let's see. So, hey, I'm thrilled to have you as the newest member of my community. Okay. So that's just a sample. You can, change that up however you want to change that up. I'm wondering if you have an option to put the name or will that automatically go there. We're going to test it out. All right. You can put more text if you want to. You can put a different image at the bottom if you desire as well. So I'll put a different image there. So that's what that would look like. And here at the footer, see, I had already put my address here, but you'll be able to edit it if you don't go to the setting like I did. Okay. Now we're going to hit continue. You can send it now, or you can send it as scheduled. Okay. So now let's review. You can schedule it out. You can send it now. We're going to send it now. Oh, hold on. We got to go up here. So the campaign, that's the campaign name. You can name it something if you want it. Okay. Send to subscribers if, let's create a segment. Like you can create a segment. Let me see. And then you can import contacts. Okay. So I did read in the email, if you have contacts, let's say you were using Pensight and you had contacts over here, not over here, maybe you had contacts somewhere else, you can upload those contacts here, right up here as well. Okay. So you can, send it. You then once you know who you're going to send it to, and you can say don't send if unsubscribe from. So you have someone that subscribed to maybe a freebie that you have uploaded. Maybe you just want to send it to the people that downloaded your freebie. You can do that, or you can send all communications to all the subscribers that you have. Okay. So I'm guessing. Let me go back here. Go to. You can either send it now or schedule it, and you can review it and then send it off. Okay. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that because I know I have some contacts in here, I have a load of contacts in here. So I'm wondering if it's not sending to the contacts, where is it sending? Because it told me 0. But we'll continue to work on that. Okay. So let me try something else. So send it here. You can customize. All right, and then we're going to continue because we don't want to. So that's required. So that's required. You can send a test email to yourself and hit continue. Okay. You can schedule it. So we can schedule it for the 8th at 9:08 a.m. Then you can review it. Oh, I'm sorry. You got to select all communication. Okay. So I guess it's gonna send it to everyone that's already in my contact list, and then you can just schedule it out. Okay. So you do have the option to schedule it out, or you can send it right away. Again, this is a game changer for you. That if you're already using Pensight, you're thinking about coming to Pensight, you can really build your business right here. Because I did a video some time ago. If you have the pro account, it's beneficial to have the pro account because you get access to everything, but you get to have upsells and downsells. You get to have people to book calls. You get an opportunity for people to, be a part of your membership. You can have a whole group program in here. Looks like those two right there, the membership in the group program is for the pro feature, but all the other ones is for the you can use for the free feature. You can even build a whole course in here. Coaching bundles, one-on-one sessions, group sections, video Q&A. So there's just so much that you can do here in Pensight. Or you can just use it for just links. Maybe you have links to go to other places. You can use that here. You can even use just a regular, email form. So maybe if you maybe you have a newsletter and it's a free newsletter that you want people to have access to, you can definitely just build that here, have an email form, and collect their name and their email. And then now, because you have a segment, you can have a segment just for these people that are on your list. You can have that, so you can segment people based on their buying behavior. So if people are loading here into your pen site just to get the freebie, you can have a set of emails going for the freebie, or if you have people that book a call with you, you can have some emails to go to them after they book a call. So it's really, really it's cool. This is cool. This is cool. So tell me, are you gonna take advantage of this? Because this is a next level. I can see a lot of great things happening in Pensight. I remember when they first launched, so they have been progressing for a very, very long time. So let me know in the comments if you plan to use Pensight. I would love to hear from you.